Welcome to my channel Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to design a cartoon fish character. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle by pressing the Alt-Shift key. Select the Add Anchor tool and click on Anchor. Drag this anchor and adjust it. Select the Pen tool and draw a shape. Hold down the mouse button and move the mouse to line up the curves. Press the Alt key and remove the anchor. Draw all the shapes. Select the Selection tool and select all the shapes. Go to the Pathfinder and click on the unit to merge all the shapes. Select the Eyedropper tool and click Fill Color. Go to the Object menu and then click Paths and then click Offset Path. 10 enter the value and press OK. Select the Eyedropper tool and click Fill Color. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a shape. Select the Eyedropper tool and click Fill Color. Press Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-F. The object will be pasted to the front. Drag and shorten it. Fill the white color. Select the Pen tool and draw a shape. Adjust it using the Direct Selection tool. Set the color, fill, and stroke. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a fish eyes. Copy the object from Ctrl-C and paste in front from Ctrl-F and adjust the objects. Select all the parts of the eye and copy them by pressing the Alt key. Add some objects to make the fish beautiful. Hope you have learned something new from this video. Thanks for watching the video.